welcome and thanks for tuning in today for our web. We're going to talk a little bit about the Contact Center Executive Summit. I'm David Hanavis, President and CEO of CC&G, and joined today with one of our summit partners, VPI. We have Patrick Boats. Patrick's Vice President of Workforce Optimization there at VPI. And Patrick, I'm going to let you kind of jump in here and talk a little bit about our topics for the con as well as the program. Go ahead.
Great. Thanks, David. We're thrilled to be a sponsor of this year's Contact Center Executive Summit. CC&G does a tremendous job putting on excellent educational content, and we're always pleased to be a part of that. They've really put together a fantastic lineup of really the mega trends in the contact center industry, the ones that really matter to organizations as the world is evolving and to contact center executives. I work with a lot of our customers, and these are really the hottest topics that constantly come up in conversation, and these are the ones that we're working with them on solving these challenges and overcoming these issues. Some of the mega trends you'll see that we'll be covering at the summit include at-home agent, the remote agent. That's a huge movement that's going on now, not only to save costs, but really drive performance improvements. And we'll be sharing a lot of best practices around those areas. You also hear a lot around customer experience. Several of the executives presenting do a phenomenal job creating tremendous brands and really delivering an end-to-end customer experience that really outweighs their competition. And you'll hear some great tips and learn their proven strategies on how they're doing that. You also learn more about some of the new technologies that are coming out to help drive performance improvements and really a better customer experience, and also comply with upcoming and current regulations, including payment card industry regulations and HIPAA regulations and other regulations as well. And then you'll learn a lot about the key trends on the customer experience side, right? So customer dynamics are definitely evolving. Social media is playing a huge role in the way customers communicate. And then you have other channels like web chat, email that are making a huge emergence, in web self-service as well. And we're trying to really understand and better leverage those tools and technologies with best practices and also analytical tools as well. And you'll learn a lot about how to take advantage of those channels and what we can do to maximize our service delivery in those channels as well. So we're extremely thrilled and very excited to be a part of this executive summit. We look forward to networking with each of you and helping solve your issues, and look forward to seeing you in Dallas.
Well, let's talk a little bit about the program and the way it's laid out. We'll have, as a concept, everyone that's going to be attending is going to be a part of the program. Yes, there'll be keynote presentations. We'll have 2 interactive panel sessions, one on optimizing customer experience management and another one on leveraging social media and chat. Obviously, Patrick talked about technology and learning more about that through some roundtables. But the program is really designed for people to get to know each other and to share their experience and knowledge and perspectives around this Contact Center Summit content. We have some great speakers and some great participants. Here's just some of those that are going to be involved. Example, Tony Carter's from Birmingham, Alabama. They're Blue Cross and Blue Shield. Lynn O'Neill with New York Life down in Tampa, Florida. And a number of other people. Everyone here is capable of delivering a keynote presentation. So you'll get to know your peers and get to know them on a number of fronts. One of those areas is we're going to take some time dedicated to getting to know each other. We'll break away and take in a Rangers game. So we'll have everyone participate in that, and of course that changes the environment, and we'll get everybody getting to know each other on a different level. So it's not all about the content. It is about networking and getting to know each other and creating new business relationships. Here's some of the content that you will need to know if you'd like to participate. The executivesummit.com is a good place to go for some information. Certainly you can contact CC&G at that number. And the particulars are there. We want to remind you also to use the code That'll help you save a few dollars. Patrick, thanks for taking time with us today, and everyone, thanks for tuning in.